In the realm of thoughts, I find my staying a lecture profound. Neville Goddard saying, "Where are you staying?" he asks with a smile, a question so simple, yet it travels for miles. In the depths of my mind, I start to explore, seeking the answer to my very core. Am I staying in fear, in doubt, or despair? Or am I residing in love? It's everywhere. Amidst the chaos, I seek a still place, a sanctuary within, where peace leaves no trace. For where I am staying shapes my reality in this vast universe of endless possibility. The mind is a canvas where dreams are created, where thoughts become things. They are never outdated. Am I staying in lack, in limitation's embrace? Or am I dwelling in abundance, in a boundless space? With each passing thought, I mold my own fate, constructing my world, both early and late. Am I staying in gratitude, embracing what's true? Or am I residing in complaints, in a constant déjà vu? The power lies within, to choose where I stand, in the realm of creation, where dreams expand. Am I staying in victimhood, blaming the outside? Or am I residing in ownership, with my power as my guide? For where I am staying, I become aware that life is a mirror, reflecting what I share. Am I staying in love, in compassion's embrace? Or am I residing in judgment, in a never-ending race? The lecture speaks truth, like a gentle breeze, guiding my journey with effortless ease. So I ask myself now, as I embark on this quest, where am I staying? Where do I invest?